time now to join Yusuf Akogu for the business news.
Welcome to Business News. I am Yusuf Akogu. In spite of numerous challenges confronted by manufacturers in Nigeria, the manufacturing sector borrowing from the nation's banking sector rose by 2.17 trillion naira to 7.73 trillion naira from 5.57 trillion naira in 2022. The figure represents an increase of 38.8%. Data obtained from the Central Bank of Nigeria shows the manufacturing sector was the second highest recipient of bank loans in 2023, trailing only behind the oil and gas sector. Analysis of the data revealed that credit extended by banks to the manufacturing sector represented 17.36% of the total banking sector credit. Clean energy jobs rose to 35 million in the fossil fuel sector, representing a growth of 4.7 million from last year. According to the 2023 World Energy Employment Report, while fossil fuel employment has lagged, the remaining 1.3 million jobs are below their pre-pandemic levels of 32 million, with the new jobs in construction and manufacturing accounting for over half of all energy employment. The report revealed that with a growing trend toward project-based approaches in many industries, a rising demand for skilled project managers was expected to increase significantly over the next decade. According to the Managing Director of Sub-Saharan African PMI, George Asamani, as more countries and corporations in the region commit to lowering emissions, the transition to clean energy is poised to boost employment opportunities significantly. A pension administrator, Sani Mustafa, has allayed fears of pensioners over a report that foreign pension fund managers are moving funds out of Nigeria. According to him, Nigerian Pension Administration is completely handled and managed by local fund managers. Mustafa also said that pension funds constitute a large chunk of investment on the Nigerian Exchange Limited (NGS).
All pension fund administrators are Nigerian companies. But as I said, some of the multinational companies in Nigeria, they are running a closed pension fund administrators. And from the onset, they have offshore investments. So with the coming of National Pension Commission oversight pension, they didn't tell them to bring this money back. So it continues. But the National Pension Commission knows about it and regulates it. Pension funds are a big, or if not the biggest player in the capital market. And that is how it should be. Because the benefits goes right back to our retirees. They invest in companies. When these companies take the money, they expand their operations and they employ more people and pay more pension. It's a win-win situation.
Equities market opened the week in red as blue chip stocks record sell-offs in late trade. Let's see how it went down today. Some of the equities that dragged down the market. Leading that table is Dangote Sugar, that lost 10%, a huge number there. To close at 43 naira and 20 kobo per share. NSL Tech down 10% as well. To close at 54 kobo per share. Of course, CAP PLC also down 9.88% to close at 26 naira per share at the close of business today. Of course, this has dragged down the market downward by 0.19%. Volume of trade 277.241 million shares, value at 5.082 million naira in a deals of 8,714 did exchange hands among investors on this first trading day of the week. Indeed, looking at in the top trading equities, UBA is leading that table, 33.746 million shares, TPLC 25.494 million shares, of course Transcorp Nigerian PLC 19.346 million shares. It traded, of course, some equities they record gains at the close of business. Today, leading that table is Sterling Bank Nigerian PLC up 9.95% to close at 4 naira and 20 kobo per share. First Bank of Nigeria holding also up there 9.58%, 22 naira and 30 kobo a share price. And then, of course, Honey Flow up there 9.40% to close at 3 naira and 49 kobo per share. That's the highlight of stock trading as it went down this Monday on the floor of NGS. Let's see the global stock market for today. Now to the FX market. Naira depreciates further against the US dollar as demand for greenbacks increases. Take a look at today's market data. Oil prices dip on Monday as Israel-Hamas ceasefire talks in Cairo tempered fears of a wider Middle East conflict, while US inflation data dimmed the prospect of interest rate cuts soon. At the London market, European Brent sells for $88 per barrel. For the open basket, dealers offered $88 per barrel. That's business. I am Yusuf Akogu.